We got this piece of furniture from a family member, and the top was really warped, really messed up, kind of unsalvageable. So we have another piece of furniture, a leaf from a table, that we're planning to use for the top of this one. And it still has the original wood panels that we're going to remove the glass and switch back out with the wood panels. And we're going to totally make over this piece and see if we can do it in 48 hours.
Cause she crazy.
Let's go. This is day 9 of our 30-day video challenge, and this is overlapping with a 48-hour furniture flip challenge that we're doing on Instagram.
So go check out over there.
So if you want live updates of how this furniture flip is going, then make sure you're following us on Instagram. You can catch back up on everything we've done so far, and the challenge is going to wrap up Friday, June 9th at noon. So follow us over there if you want to see how this piece turns out. Today is going to include the first 24 hours of this furniture flip, and then tomorrow will include the second 24 hours. So let's recap.
Trying to see if I can get this glass out. Put the original panels back in.
So we were having trouble getting things apart, so we were taking these scrapers and trying to scrape out a lot of the dirt and old paint and stuff that's in there, but I might have found a way to get it apart now. It was just tight. What are your thoughts right now?
I hate you. I hate you. But I love you. Hence this mess. When you're doing something like this, you want to make sure you label your pieces, because otherwise it'll be a pain more than it's already going to be to put it back together.
Current state of the furniture, deconstructed. It looks like maybe red paint was spilt that was making it so hard to get it apart. It was all stuck together because the other side does not have any of that and came apart much easier. So we might be in a little bit over our heads for a 48-hour flip, but we're keeping on keeping on. So it is almost to the end of the first 24 hours of the challenge. We still have quite a bit left to do, but we've gotten everything sanded with 120, went back over it with 220, got a glue up that's drying. We have the top cut, we just need to get it prepped as well and sanded, and then everything will be getting whitewashed and then put back together. So that is a wrap on day 9 for our 30-day video challenge, which we're technically ending half the way through the next day so that it's a full 24 hours of the challenge. So tomorrow's video will be the remaining 24 hours and the final result, whether we made it or not, for this 48-hour flip. So see you tomorrow.
See you there. Thanks for watching the flipping video.